this video, I will show you how to create a poll on Telegram group. First of all, open the Telegram application. On the home screen, you will see your group and individual chat. Select the group in which you want to create the poll. Once it opens, you will see a clip icon next to the input field at the bottom. Tap on it. On the next screen, swipe through the options at the bottom and select the poll option. After that, options will appear to create your poll. First, tap on the Ask a Question field and enter your question here. Then, under the Answer Options section, tap on the Option field and enter your first option. After that, if you want to add another option, tap on Add an Option and add your next option here. You can keep adding 8 more options like this. Once you are done adding the options, move to the next section, that's for the settings. Here you can control poll settings by switching toggles on and off. If you don't want anonymous voting, switch this toggle off. Next, either you can select multiple answers or the quiz mode. So toggle on the one that you want to go with. If you select the quiz mode, then you would need to select the correct option from the ones you added above. After that, tap on the create option at the top right corner. The poll will be shared in the chat, and this is how you can create a poll on Telegram group.